Hi. Hello, friends. I'm Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have, I have the second half of my Ice Cream Beauty. I got the bag. I had already filmed the box, and so that already is out, and so now I'm going to show the bag. But I also went to their shop. They were offering a special deal, and so I went to the shop and bought a few things. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, friends, I hope everyone's enjoying the holiday season, or however you celebrate. I hope you're enjoying it. And I'm still been a little bit under the weather, but I'm trying to make it all happen. So anyway, and here's the Ice Cream Beauty bag. It just came in this, and usually you get anywhere from 3 to 5 items, usually full-size items, and for a $12.50 bag, you do pretty well. They always give you an eyeshadow palette. So I'm opening that. So it looks like I have an eyeshadow palette. What is this? This may take some special opening here. I'm going to tell you before I show these. Okay, so, and then I have we have a eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow, which I'm not always fond of liquid eyeshadows, but this right here is packaged so great. I'll start with that. So here's the box. So it's by, it's real, it says Beau Babe Beauty. BEAU Babe Beauty. So, and this is a gold liquid eyeshadow. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so there we go. There it is in all her glory. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, it's kind of cheap packaging. This is, let me see if it tells what it is or how much it, so this is a gold opal eyeshadow, and it's valued at $30. So let's try it here. I'm just unscrewing it, and I'm going to put just a little bit on my hand here. Okay, there it is. You can see the gold. It's kind of a light. Well, it depends on if the light hits it. It's pretty golden. The light hits it right, but it's not really happening here. But anyway, so I'm wondering if it could be a highlighter too. It's possible. I'm kind of blending that in, and anyway. So there's the first thing. Right? Okay, the second thing we have here is, and this is a fall looking, it's kind of fun. It's got like a moon on it and a deer. So there's that. And this is a, it's also from, well, this is from Base Blue Cosmetics, and this is just a face color palette. Oh wait, yeah, and this is valued at $25. So let's see what we got in here. No idea. Okay, it's magnetic, so you just lift it off and it clips back on. Okay, so this is just like a face palette. I guess that you could use it as a bronzer, as a powder, whatever. So that's kind of fun. So I don't know if I want to attempt to try it or not, but anyway, so that's fun. I like it. Okay. So, and then the last thing is our eyeshadow palette. We always get an eyeshadow palette in the EyeScream Beauty Bag. Sometimes they're bigger than others. This one, it's got kind of a neutral and a blue-green story. So, that's what it looks like. Okay. It's really pretty. There's a shimmer in here that's real good. I am not going to sample it in case I decide to give this away. I actually really like it though. I just have so many eyeshadow palettes. I'm not sure if I'll keep it. But anyway, so for our $12.50 bag, we got the eyeshadow palette, the face palette, and the liquid eyeshadow. So that was a fun little bag. Now I'm going to get to EyeScream Beauty had a sale. I don't know. I just came across it somehow. I think they were offering like at least 40% off. I'm not sure. I got 4 items and they totaled around $20 for the 4 items. And it's almost like getting a box what the items are. Now one of them I have already, but it's such a good gift. And that is the Ofra Cosmetics, the highlighter. This is the Rodeo Drive. It's just kind of their classic. It's almost like a cult classic. I think, I mean, there's a lot of highlighters out there, but if you want just one good faithful highlighter, this is probably would be my choice. So love this highlighter. So I think, I don't know, maybe, I don't know if I picked it up for like $5 or something, but it was a really good deal. Now, if you are a member of EyeScream Beauty, you can shop on their site whether you're a member or not, like whether you get their bags or boxes. But if you if you don't, you can still shop their site, but they offer really good discounts for you if you do have a subscription with them. So a lot of times they'll offer half off that price, and then I got another 40% off. So anyway, that's the first thing I have here. The second thing I picked up, and this is something I've been wanting forever. I have never tried it, but it is Girl Tactic, and it's a smudge eraser stick. So that's what it looks like. Then here's the actual stick. Now you pull the lid off, and there's just this little white tip. It's, I don't know how you explain it. If it's, might be a little bit waxy, I don't know, but you're supposed to be able to, if you have a smudge like around your eyes or something, it's supposed to take care of that. So, I'm excited to try this. So maybe this will, who knows if this will end up in a favorites or not. I kind of hope so. But anyway, there's that. Now, the next thing, I'm going to save the eyeshadow palette to last this time. The next thing I have is by Illuminati Cosmetics. I love this brand. Their packaging is just everything. So, isn't that just cute? I love the gold. And now this is just a lip gloss. And I'm going to try it. Wow. That definitely took my color up a notch. Just kind of gave it a shimmer gloss. So I like that. This would be great to go over lipsticks or lip colors. So there's that. And then the last thing I got is from Moira. This is the Dream Series palette. I love the colors in here. This is my color story. Here we go. There it is. This was offered at it was on sale, and then I got a sale on top of that. So it was a really good buy. And it's one I probably will fit into my routine because it has so many colors that are in my palette. So that's that. So for around $20, I picked up in the shop this palette, the Ofra highlighter, the smudge stick, and the lip gloss. So anyway, that was exciting. So that's it for my Ice Cream Beauty for the month. If you haven't seen it, you can go back and check out what I got in the box. I was happy with my box this month too. Ice Cream Beauty shares, they have a lot of, they do indie brands, and some of them are a little less, not as heard of or as expensive as some of the bigger brands, but it's just fun to explore, and they give kind of a fun variety of products. It's usually almost all makeup. Sometimes they'll throw a serum in with the box, but you always get an eyeshadow palette in the bag and an eyeshadow palette in the box. So, and you know, I love eyeshadow palettes, so it's worth it for me. It's been a fun addition to my subscriptions this year. So I think I'm gonna hang on to it for a little while. Anyway, so that's that. Let me know what you think of the Ice Cream Beauty. Let me know what you think of the bag, and if you saw the box, what you think. Anyway, let me know in the comments, and I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And this won't be my last one before Christmas, but I do want to say happy holidays to you. And I hope you're having a good week and have an awesome weekend. So we will see you next time. All right, friends. Bye-bye.